Silky beat.
Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition just launched before few days. Fast refresh rate OLED display, superb in design, 200 megapixel triple camera setup, Dimensity mid-segment 5G processor, 210 watt fast charging and many more. Today I will show you unboxing and first impression of the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition phone that comes with the two super awesome technologies. Hey guys, Maiky from Tech Maiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's now get to the unboxing. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box, you get Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition phone, 210 watt fast charger along with Type-C to C cable, transparent case in the box along with the SIM ejector tool and some documentations. Let's start with the colors. The Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition brings the midnight black color scheme. Perhaps high-end devices often only need the simplest color matching. The Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition has an only this color matching option. In terms of look and feel, midnight black is indeed dark enough. It belongs to a kind of black shiny and a black reflective design, more like a mirror black. Of course, this design can't avoid the fingerprints. In camera module, the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition continues the family style design language of the Xiaomi digital series. The base of the module is frosted design. The two cameras are slightly raised, arranged in the vertical rows, and the right side is a secondary camera. Below is a dual LED flash. In terms of frame design, the Redmi Note 12 Pro Explorer Edition continues the trend small straight edge of a previous generation product, and the wall machine looks a bit tougher. Although the back and the back shell have a small arc design on the both sides, which fits the palm better, but with a body thickness of 8.98 mm and the weight of around 207.5 grams with the straight edge design, it is indeed slightly heavier in the hand. The middle frame of the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition is still made of plastic, but the coating is very delicate, not to mention that no one knows that it is plastic. On the right side is the volume button and the power button that takes into the account fingerprint recognition. But in terms of the feel, the power button is slightly hard and can be pressed with a little force. The SIM card slot is in the bottom and it is included a symmetrical stereo dual speaker cutout and Type-C socket. On the top of the body is another symmetrical stereo dual speaker opening as well as an infrared opening, and the advanced 3.5mm headphone jack has also not fallen. Back to the front, this time the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition has been upgraded with the 6.67-inch flexible OLED straight screen, and they all uses a diamond-like pixel arrangements. 1080 by 2400 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, 900 nit max peak brightness level, 1920Hz high frequency PWM dimming, and the 10-bit color depth, as well as support for the Dolby Vision, HDR10 and HDR10 Plus. It is worth mentioning this is the only OLED flexible straight screen in this segment. The Redmi Note 12 series debuted with the Dimensity 1080 chip equipped with the LPDDR4X plus UFS 2.2 storage and adopt a multi-dimensional 3-dimensional heat dissipation system. For heat dissipation include the 3000 square mm VC vapor chamber. We turned on the high performance mode of the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition and tested it through the Antutu. As shown in the picture, in the Antutu benchmark, the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition reaches the 5,07,000 score. This time, the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition is the world's first Samsung HPX flagship outsole main camera. Include an increase in aperture to f1.65, which greatly increased the amount of light entering at the same time. The flagship structure of 7P upgraded, and the other two cameras are 8MP ultra wide and the 2MP tactical macro. First of all, let's look at the sample photos. This time, the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition launched the world's first 210 watt fast charge. Another point that makes even more shocked in the world's first 210 watt fast charge in Redmi Note series. The Redmi Note 12 Discovery Edition uses a dual GaN charger plus 10.5A high gauge wire, in which the power density of the charger and the customized C2C fast charging cable is upgraded to 844 core wires, and the 3 core wire are used. The 100 watt fast charging chip has a total power limit of 300 watt and the total of 60 safety protection. Official says that the 4300 mAh battery can be charged to 17% in just 1 minute and 66% in 5 minutes and 100% in 9 minutes. Of course, the price is slightly heavier charging head, reaching a weight of 218 grams. Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition base variant price in China is around 2,399 Chini Yuan. If we convert it into the pound, is around 290 pound in UK and $340 in the US. Back to the product itself. Redmi Note 12 X Pro Edition has a Dimensity 1080 OLED screen, dual axis linear motor, 210 watt fast charging, 200 megapixel camera, and film filter brings a new experience. It is a product that can experience the full range of features, and it is still the most unavoidable choice among products in this price segment. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, also give this video thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.